15 Best Foods for Detoxing Your Body. With regards to purging your assortment of destructive poisons, food truly is the best medication. You'll be stunned to discover that large numbers of your number one food sources additionally purify the body's detoxification organs like the liver, digestion tracts, kidneys and skin, forestalling destructive harmful development. Assist ward with offing the hurtful impacts of contamination, food-added substances, recycled smoke and different poisons with flavorful natural products, vegetables, nuts, oils and beans. Really quite possibly the most remarkable mending food varieties, blueberries contain characteristic ibuprofen that reduces the tissue-harming impacts of persistent aggravation, while diminishing agony. 1. Apples. Since apples are high in gelatin, a sort of fiber that ties to cholesterol and weighty metals in the body, they help dispose of poisonous development and to scrub the digestive organs. 2. Avocados. We infrequently consider avocados a purging food, however these wholesome forces to be reckoned with lower cholesterol and widen veins while obstructing corridor obliterating harmfulness. Avocados contain a supplement called glutathione, which impedes in any event 30 distinct cancer-causing agents while assisting the liver with detoxifying manufactured synthetic substances. 3. Beets. Time to prepare some tasty borscht soup. Since its fundamental fixing, beets, contain an interesting combination of regular plant intensifiers that make them heavenly blood purifiers and liver chemicals. 4. Blueberries. Really quite possibly the most remarkable recuperating food varieties, blueberries contain regular headache medicine that reduces the tissue-harming impacts of constant aggravation, while decreasing torment. Blueberries likewise go about as anti-infection agents by obstructing microbes in the urinary plot, along these lines assisting with forestalling diseases. They likewise have antiviral properties and help to obstruct poisons from intersection the blood-cerebrum boundary to access the sensitive mind. 5. Cabbage. Cabbage contains various anti-cancer and cell reinforcement mixtures and assists the liver brake with bringing down overabundance chemicals. Cabbage likewise purifies the stomach-related plot and kills a portion of the harming intensifiers found in tobacco smoke and recycled smoke. It additionally reinforces the liver's capacity to detoxify. 6. Celery and celery seeds. Celery and celery seeds are phenomenal blood chemicals and contain various enemy of disease intensifiers that help detoxify malignancy cells from the body. Celery seeds contain more than 20 mitigating substances. It is especially useful for detoxifying substances found in tobacco smoke. 7. Artichoke. If you have as of late been reveling in greasy food sources and liquor, adding some steamed globe artichoke leaves to your suppers is an incredible method to help get your body in the groove again. Globe artichokes are loaded with cell reinforcements and fiber and can likewise help the body digest greasy food sources. On top of this, globe artichoke is eminent for its capacity to invigorate and improve the elements of the liver, the body's primary poison-battling apparatus. 8. Cranberries. Purify your body from hurtful microbes and infections that might be waiting in your urinary parcel with cranberries since they contain anti-infection and antiviral substances. 9. Flax seeds and flaxseed oil. Stacked with fundamental unsaturated fats, especially the omega-3s, flax seeds and flaxseed oil are fundamental for some purging capacities all through the body. 10. Green tea. While it's not in fact a food, no detox plan would be finished without ordinary utilization of fundamental fluids. Liquids are fundamental for keeping our organs sound and assisting with flushing poisons from the body, and drinking green tea is an incredible method of boosting your admission. Green tea isn't just a decent weight reduction drink, yet it is incredibly high in cancer prevention agents. Examination has likewise recommended that drinking green tea can shield the liver from sicknesses including greasy liver illness. 11. Garlic. Eat garlic to scrub destructive microscopic organisms, intestinal parasites and infections from your body, particularly from the blood and digestion tracts. It additionally purifies develop from the corridors and has hostile to malignant growth and cell reinforcement properties that assistance detoxify the collection of hurtful substances. Also, garlic helps with purifying the respiratory lot by removing mucus development in the lungs and sinuses. For the medical advantages, pick just new garlic, not garlic powder, which has basically nothing unless there are other options properties. 12. Grapefruit. Add a ruby red grapefruit to your morning meal to profit by gelatin fiber that ties to cholesterol, along these lines purging the blood. Gelatin additionally ties to substantial metals and helps escort them out of the body. It likewise has antiviral mixtures that purge destructive infections out of the body. Grapefruit is a brilliant intestinal and liver detoxifier. 13. Kale. Steam some kale to profit by its incredible enemy of malignant growth and cancer prevention agent intensifies that help purify the group of destructive substances. It is additionally high in fiber, which purifies the intestinal plot. Like cabbage, kale kills intensifies found in tobacco smoke and reinforces liver purifying. 14. Vegetables. Add a modest bunch of cooked beans to your next feast since they stacked with fiber that aids lower cholesterol, scrubs the digestion tracts and directs glucose levels. Vegetables additionally help secure the body against malignant growth. 15. Lemons. Astounding liver detoxifiers, lemons contain high measures of nutrient C, a nutrient required by the body to make a significant substance called glutathione. Glutathione assists the liver with detoxifying unsafe synthetic substances. Add a crush of new lemon juice, not the packaged assortment, to unadulterated water to help your purging endeavors consistently. 16. New natural product. Fresh organic products are high in nutrients, minerals, cell reinforcements and fiber equals and are likewise low in calories, making them a significant piece of a detox diet. In case you're after more brilliant eyes and skin, shinier hair and improved processing, take a stab at boosting your admission of products of the soil from a wide range of sorts. The uplifting news is natural product is not difficult to add to your eating routine, so take a stab at beginning your day with a new natural product salad or smoothie and eating on bits of organic product for the duration of the day. 17. Ocean growth. Kelp could be the most misjudged vegetable in the Western world. Studies at McGill University in Montreal showed that kelp tie to radioactive waste in the body. Ocean growth additionally ties to hefty metals to help dispense with them from the body. Likewise, they are forces to be reckoned with of minerals and minor elements. 18. Watercress. On the off chance that you haven't attempted watercress, add this heavenly green to your next sandwich since it expands detoxification proteins and follows up on malignant growth cells in the body. In an investigation at the Norwich Food Research Centre in the UK, smokers who were given 170 grams of watercress each day dispensed with higher than normal measures of cancer-causing agents in their pee, consequently disposing of them from their body. 19. Earthy colored rice. If you need to scrub your framework and lift your well-being, it is a smart thought to eliminate prepared food sources. All things being equal, take a stab at enhancing your eating routine with better entire grains like earthy colored rice, which is plentiful in many key detoxifying supplements including B nutrients, magnesium, manganese and phosphorus. Earthy colored rice is additionally high in fiber, which is useful for purifying the colon, and wealthy in selenium, which can assist with securing the liver just as improving the appearance. 20. Ginger. If an excess of greasy food or liquor has messed up your stomach-related framework, it could be beneficial adding some ginger to your eating routine. Ginger isn't just incredible for lessening sensations of queasiness, yet it can help improve assimilation, beat swelling and diminish gas. Moreover, ginger is high in cell reinforcements and is useful for boosting the insusceptible framework. To give your processing some assistance, take a stab at tasting on ginger tea or adding some newly ground ginger to a natural product or vegetable juice. Eating an assortment of new leafy foods helps with detoxifying unsafe substances from your body. Who realized purifying could taste so great?